we just left Dublin. We're on the way down to Cork, taking Brittany ferries from Ringaskiddy port in Cork. And I'm being escorted out of the country by my brother. You might have just seen him in the left-hand wing mirror there. Yeah, so it'll probably be about 3 hours down. And weather looks like it's going to be shit at some stage today. Just as well, we had stopped for petrol a few minutes ago. Took the opportunity to throw on the rain gear. So we're just coming up on Ringaskiddy port now. I think we're about 10 minutes away or so. Thankfully it's dried off. Better pull over and take a bite to the butter.
I'll shut in.
Oh yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad.
All right.
Cheers, thank you. Go this way?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm in front, boys. I'm fucking in front. So I've landed into Roscoff, and I intend to head mostly along the coast counterclockwise, so into northern Spain, down through Portugal. I may well dip into Morocco even for a few days. And then back out into northern Spain. Back to France. Italy, Switzerland. Well, I'll only be doing northern Italy at that point. I'll come back down and then head south to Italy, Sicily, in the east side of Italy, into the Balkans, down through Slovenia, Croatia, into Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, into Kosovo, Serbia, and then North Macedonia, back into Albania before dropping into Greece. And from there into Turkey for a couple of days, Bulgaria, Romania, then back into northern Serbia before heading up into Hungary, Slovakia. I left Austria out there somewhere. Czech Republic, Poland, Germany, and then the depressing ride home back towards, I suppose, Cherbourg to get to the ferry home.